Have you ever wanted to be a meanie boy and make a device not be able to use the Wi-Fi because you hate them or you just want to do it for fun? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to ARP spoof and how ARP spoofing works. And please note that this is for educational purposes, of course. So yeah, I'm going to be just getting into the tutorial now. Okay, so how ARP spoofing works, it's kind of like, so think of this like the device. For example, I'm gonna just do a Quest 2, Quest 3, and every time it goes on a website or like plays a game, it can like uses the Wi-Fi to connect to the servers, or if like on a website it sends a request to the router. But the thing is, when you ARP spoof, you're kind of like sending traffic. You're sending traffic through the requests, or kind of like making a wall, for example. So you're being a bad boy and you're like, oh no, I don't want these guys. I don't like these guys. I don't like them. So kind of like, oh no, traffic. So kind of like, so yeah, that's literally what it is. It's kind of making a device not able to use the internet. So this is really effective on Android devices because they don't have cellular data. Well, some of them do. Samsung, I think. I have no idea because I use an iPhone, so I don't know. So yeah, that's pretty much how ARP spoofing works. So I'm going to be showing you a tool that I made that ARP spoofs. Alright, so there's this tool that I made. It's called Vicious, and it's an ARP spoof attack tool. ARP spoofer, and you can multi-target attack and you can single target attack. Since I'm gonna do my phone, I'm just gonna do single attack. And by the way, since I'm a good guy and I'm not a gatekeeper, I'm gonna put the GitHub link in the description or comments, depending if this is on TikTok or YouTube or whatever. So, yeah, and also, by the way, this is not a rat or malware. You can look through the code. There's no API calls or anything like that. So anyway, I'm just gonna target IP. This is the IP address of my phone on the network. I can leak this because it's literally like common on, there's it's like local private IP, so you're not going to be able to access it or whatever. So, and then the IP address of my router. So whenever you're doing this, the IP address of your router would either be like 0 or like 1, or it would be, or the first one that's right here would be like 2 or something. So that's that there. And yeah, it's working. The MAC address and stuff on the network, and I'm going to be showing you my phone. Alright, so as you can see, I am now on my phone, and so I'm being ARP spoofed right now. It's running on my laptop. I'll show you it right now. See right here, it's same point of view. And so for example, I'm just going Roblox. Oh, I'm just going, I opened Delta. Oh, there we go. Yeah, and see, look, I can't play Roblox. Look, I'm connected to the internet. I'll turn my cellular data off. I'm connected to the internet. I can't. I'll turn it on, even with it on. I'm gonna go to, what should I go on? I'm gonna go on TikTok.
The server got nuked! No!
Alright, so you can see I'm TikTok, and look, see, I can't comment. Can't do that. Since I'm on an iPhone, it's kind of less effective, kind of. But on like older iPhones and Androids, this is really effective. I'm on iPhone 13. So yeah, I'll go on Clash Royale. Look. And yeah, it's just gonna load forever. It's never gonna stop. First time I did this ARP spoof tool I made, this never ended. It literally never did. So yeah, that's ARP spoofing. So, and with multi-attack, you can do it to multiple devices at once, which is really overpowered. And if you want to just be a meanie, you can download Nmap, Zenmap GUI, and you can or you can use Angry IP Scanner or Advanced IP Scanner. I use Zenmap because, aka Nmap, because it's way better. And you just scan the Wi-Fi network you're on, and then just spoof every single device with multi-target attack. So yeah, that's really it. So it's kind of like a DDoS, I would say, like DDoSing somebody's Wi-Fi. It's kind of the same thing, but, well, it's not the same thing at all. But it's similar, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the GitHub link, and I'm going to also another reminder is that this only works on the network you are connected to. So like, for example, like your school Wi-Fi or something, or you could, Walmart. Don't do it the Walmart or Target, because it is stupid. They're gonna find out, maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. If you have OPSEC or something, I don't know. If you have WOPSEC or max sudo install OPSEC, I don't know. So yeah, that's really the end of the video. And I hope you learned something today. So yeah, don't download any other ARP spoof tools off of GitHub. Those are malware. Use mine. You can look through the code. And the requirements are only like 2 things if you have Python. So yeah, that's it, man.